Good morning, guys. We have a cool episode. We're going to install some new kidney grills on our E46 BMW. It's a great way to do a little upgrade to your car. You can do carbon fiber, do black, or you can do the original chrome. We got some satin black ones to match the front end of this car, and then we got some gloss black ones to match the 330i over there that I'll show you in a second. All right, stay tuned.
What is up, guys?
All right, this is an E46 2001 330i M Sport with M3 wheels, tires on it. Car handles great. And here's an example of having some gloss black kidney grills in the front. Sorry for my shadow. Anyway, they look really cool. Makes the car look a little sportier. They were originally chrome, but they're now gloss black. So car looks really cool with those on there. We're gonna put some satin black ones on that car right now. All right, let's go ahead and open these up. Nice. Here's your knife, would have been good. There's one. There's the other one. And unwrap those. There we are, guys. Satin black. Nice finish. Now you want to make sure when you order these, I'm going to leave the link below. I got these on Amazon. They were about $35. But when you order them, you want to make sure you get it for the right E46, a 2-door or a 4-door. The 4-door ones for the same year are a little bit narrower. They're not quite as wide. The 2-door ones are wider, so you want to make sure when you're ordering that you order the right ones for your car, either 2-door or 4-door for the same year. This is going on a 2002 325 CI, which is a convertible, and the other ones are on a 330i coupe, which is a 4-door, and they're slightly different. Alright guys, on these new ones, you can see that there's these clips right here. We're going to pop those clips off. Then this half goes in from behind, and then the new piece goes in from the front and clips on right there. So let's go ahead and take these clips off. Alright, so just like that, comes apart. We're going to install this first, and then this on the outside. Alright, there's the front end before. Let's go ahead and put one in. Alright, we got a one-eyed wonder. One down, one more to go. Alright guys, so here's how it fits on the inside. You can see that The tab right there fits on the little metal tab, the plastic tab. Same thing right there. Same thing right there. Right there. One right there. And then one right there. And then that end right there goes over the top. All right, there it is, guys. Installed. Let's go ahead and close that. If you guys want to get some cool mugs, go to Old Guy's Garage. Get yourself one at castyworks.com. Hey guys, if you want to get cool mugs and t-shirts, whoa, that's a lot of Old Guy's Garage. There's another one right there. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Anyway, go to castyworks.com, castiworx.com. It's my brother's website. He's our designer, has done all this awesome work for us. Thanks, guys. See ya.